not like when these things happen, contrary to public opinion, or she did this for fame. That was actually a mistake. It leaked. It was not supposed to be for public consumption. However, right, if that now makes you controversial, you can either choose to die down with the controversy or to use that controversy in your favor. And that is what I do with everything that happens around me. Whether it's fabricated, whether it's true, whether it's not. What happened, how long ago was that tape? I think 8 years ago. Like, I'm not dwelling on what happened 8 years ago. Because 8 years ago, I was nobody. Now I'm Pokello and I'm the most followed person in the country. And it means people follow me and people follow the brand for a reason. And it's not that tape. Trust me. It wasn't that good. It wasn't worth the kind of attention I get now. But I've been able to turn around that whole situation and use it in my favor. So I don't encourage young girls to do controversial things because it's going to propel them into stardom. Because how many people have tried it? I'm the only one you know, right? You don't know them, you don't remember them. Why? Because they died down with that controversy. I chose to turn the situation around and chose to use it in my favor. But I also want young girls to learn from my mistakes. It was a mistake. And it wasn't my fault, so I wasn't responsible for how it got out. So I can't take responsibility for that part, but what I can do is be an example to young girls to say, this is not how you want to make it, but in the event that it does happen, this is how you use the situation in your favor. So I'm the poster child for a lot of things not to do, but I'm also the poster child of how you make lemonade out of lemons. So I'm one celebrity that you either love or hate. There's no in between with me. You either love or hate me, but you need to learn from me. Because a lot of people go through so many things and then you just die down and die with depression. I've gone through the worst things, but I'm still here. Standing in front of you, addressing you. I'm the most unlikely role model, but I'm here. And I make the best of it.